So lately I've been playing around with ChatGPT, and I am literally blown away by all of the things that I've been discovering that this free AI tool can do. AI is out here changing the game, from doing surgeries to passing law exams. So today I'm about to share with you the top 5 things that you can use ChatGPT to do in everyday life that will actually change your life. What's up guys, this is Monique and welcome back to the channel. I am back with the news that you can use, but first, if you are new here, hello, bonjour, hola, aloha, konnichiwa, wagwan, shalom, assalamu alaikum, jambo, namaste. Today I'm about to share some life hacks that will pretty much make life easier. Now some may actually call it making us lazier, but whatever you would like to call it, we're about to get into it. So we'll start by heading over to OpenAI, and you can sign up for an absolutely free account if you do not already have one. And once you have your account, then we can get into this first life hack that will save you tons of time by summarizing just about anything for you. So if you are ever searching the web and you come across an article that is extremely long, or you just want to make sure whatever it is that you've come across is actually what you are looking for without having to read it all and possibly waste your time, then we can just ask ChatGPT to read that and summarize it for us. Taking whatever that article is and pasting it into ChatGPT, and we can ask it to summarize this into one paragraph, summarize it into one sentence, or just pull the main points from this article. And just like that, life has been made easy. But you can also summarize books. You can summarize something from the news. You can summarize just about anything. But that's not all it can do. With this next life hack, you can actually set up ChatGPT to talk like you. Or should I say write like you. And then it will be able to respond to emails for you. It will be able to respond to text messages. It will be able to write anything for you, and it'll do it in your voice. And a lot of people feel like that's dangerous. Yes, you are kind of training it to be like you, but this one was still really interesting, and I had to share what I discovered. So to teach it to write like you, all you have to do is take a previous email or text message that you have already written, and then you'll paste it into ChatGPT, and you'll ask it to please learn my writing style from the message below. And then from there, it'll just tell you that it will try to incorporate your style of writing into responses, and that will save in the side in your chat history. That way, anytime you want responses that are similar to that type of writing, you'll click on that chat history and you'll paste your messages in there, and it'll write the responses for you. And for some people, that will really be a big help, because have you ever received a text message that you weren't even sure how you wanted to respond to it? Well, guess what? ChatGPT will help you out with that. And not only can it learn to write things in your writing style, it can also write in others, like Michael Jackson or Beyonce or Arnold Schwarzenegger. You'll just paste the message here and you'll ask it to write like this person, and here it is.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Now before we get into this very interesting next life hack, have you ever Googled yourself or someone else and was shocked to find your personal information exposed on one of those people search websites? Well, I actually looked up a family member the other day, and I could not believe all of the information that I found. Data brokers are actually making a fortune selling your information to those pesky robocallers, those spammers, and others who are trying to learn more about you and where you live, which is actually creepy. And that's why I am excited to share with you today's sponsor, Aura. Aura can identify these data brokers that are exposing your information, and they can submit opt-out requests on your behalf. Brokers are legally required to remove your information if you ask them to, but they make it super hard to do. So let Aura handle that for you. They can also manage your passwords. They offer antivirus protection, a VPN. There are actually parental control, spam control, and identity theft protection, all in one app. And the good thing is you can get a 2-week free trial by using my link, and it's super easy to set up, and you'll get access to all of those features that I mentioned at an affordable price. So you can either continue to let people exploit you and profit off of your personal information, or you can go to aura.com/Hintons to start your 2-week free trial, and I'll put the link down in the description below. So now let's get back into these life hacks, and this next one is actually kind of personal to me because I have been struggling to try to get back on this healthy journey. And it's honestly because trying to figure out what to eat, when to eat, what exercises to do, when to exercise is all a bit challenging. But it does not have to be anymore because ChatGPT can become your virtual health coach. You can ask ChatGPT to give you a meal plan for the week. You can ask it for a meal plan for the month. You can go even further and ask for a meal plan with a certain amount of calories each day, like a 1200 calorie meal plan. And ChatGPT will break this down into breakfast, into lunch, and into dinner for you. Now, had I had access to ChatGPT a couple of years ago, I think I'll be in a better place today. But it does not stop there. ChatGPT can also provide you with a shopping list to go and get all of the ingredients that you need for your weekly meal plan. So you don't have to figure this all out on your own. You are not alone. Something else that I found that is really interesting is the fact that ChatGPT can actually help you to come up with meal plans based on ingredients that already exist in your refrigerator. Now, there is supposed to be an update coming really soon that will allow you to take a picture of your refrigerator and then you can upload it to ChatGPT and it will create a meal idea for you based on that picture that you uploaded. But until that happens, for now, all you have to do is go to your refrigerator and then you'll type everything that you find into ChatGPT and then it will give you some meal ideas. And it doesn't have to just be healthy eating. If one day you feel like, you know what, I have a taste for soul food but I don't know what kind I want, then you can ask it to give you some soul food ideas. And when it comes to exercise, it can actually give you a full workout plan. It will give you a full routine to follow. It can be a 30-day routine. Again, you can just go weekly or you can just ask for some exercise ideas to do tomorrow. And it will also give you recommendations and tips for staying motivated because that's half the battle. So with this life hack, we have found a nutritionist and a trainer in ChatGPT. And if you think this is good, the next one is really interesting. You can literally ask ChatGPT for any kind of advice. Now, I have to let you know, you want to be careful with the advice that you take, not just from ChatGPT, but from anyone, because all advice is not good advice. But you can ask ChatGPT for any kind of advice, like how to win a pillow fight against a friend. And just like that, it will walk you through exactly how to do it, from the best type of pillow that you need to go purchase to the type of steps you want to take to attack this friend. This is like having a very knowledgeable friend right at your fingertips that can offer guidance, support, and advice anytime you need it. And you can ask it for any type of advice, like career advice on job searches or networking or interview prepping. You can ask for traveling tips, like how to travel on a budget. If you run into any type of conflict with a family member or a co-worker, you can ask for advice on how best to approach the situation, and it'll give you some conflict resolution and communication tips. ChatGPT is really becoming the one-stop shop for most of your needs. Another thing it can do is teach you just about anything. If you want to learn how to edit a video, you can actually ask ChatGPT how to do it and tell it what program you are using, whether it's Final Cut Pro or Adobe, and it will take you step by step on how to do it. And if you've ever been interested in learning another language, it can actually teach you that as well, and you don't have to pay for it. And it will engage in conversation with you to help, and it will also correct your grammar when you are speaking to it so that you are actually speaking that language correctly. I mean, there is really no limit to the things that you can learn using ChatGPT. If you've ever been interested in learning an instrument, it can help to teach that as well. It will teach you the chords, it will teach you scales, and it will give you practice exercises. You can learn how to paint through ChatGPT. You can learn how to be a gardener. You can learn how to be a photographer. I mean, the list goes on and on. So no more paying for expensive courses or for tutors. You can get most of what you need here for free. And there are so many more things that ChatGPT can do. If you would like a part 2 to this video, let me know down below in the comments and I will bring one to you. But other than that, if you have not liked this video, please do so for me because it helps me out. And I thank you so much for watching. Until next time, we are out. Peace.